I know that the hungry people are smelling the bacon.
Bacon will wake you up. Once you get some Folgers in your cup, you'll be wanting to nibble on some bacon. Time to get this day started. I'm going over here to the coffee section, everybody. Now we got a donut right there if we want one. Fallon's got these cups. I guess you saved these cups from the store last night. That's what she does. Our grits are done. We'll put us a little slice of butter here, everybody. When I say little, Fallon means little.
Well, that helps it melt. You know, when it's thin, you need to
slap me some butter on that thing, baby. There we go. Now that'll get you started, everybody.
Okay, y'all, it's a little while later now. Me and Mr. Man are coming out here to let he took a tumble, he's good. We're coming to let the chickens out, Roosty and Miss Turkey and everybody. We're gonna put the little ones out in the pen because I think it's gonna rain later this afternoon. So we're gonna go ahead and let everybody out. Are you trying to catch a ducky?
Yeah.
I don't think you can anymore. Hey, Miss Turkey. We've got a turkey egg. Ow, I just bumped my head.
Are you coming?
Yep, I'm coming. It's a little chilly today. I think this whole week is supposed to be kind of cool, but next week we have 70s and 80s. Something to look forward to. Found a dump truck. I'm just gonna sit here and let Manly play out here for a few minutes. Kids are doing their seat work. I have a to-do list to be working on. I'm kind of dreading it today, so I'm putting it off. It's cleaning all the cabinet doors and drawer, like the fronts of the drawers in the kitchen. I don't know why I hate doing that. It doesn't take that long, but it's one of my non-favorite chores along with dusting blinds, which also needs to be done, but that's not today. He's trying to see if he can catch Roosty, Jonah, and see, Jonah can catch him pretty good all the time, but Sissy had him the other day, and so now Manly thinks he can catch him, but he didn't let Manly catch him. Missed him again, huh? Oh look, now he's gonna chase you. Here he comes. Roosty's a good boy. Manly's upstairs playing now. Roosty is right there, very loud. On the to-do list, let's see. Clean the cabinet fronts and the drawers. We'll get that one out of the way first. Laundry, of course. Then I need to wash sheets in the bedrooms upstairs today. Clean out the fridge is on the planner list for today, but I did that the other day, so we've already got that done. I need to clean out the microwave and take out all the trash is on here too. And today was trash day, so we already have that done. That's Tyler's too, I think. This is, I have to look at the size. This is Tyler's. Is that Tyler? No, you were right. This is Daddy's. That's Manny's.
If this one is smaller, so Manny's.
This is Manny's.
Mine said they're Jonas.
This is Manny's. Bless you, goodness.
I got lots of reasons like you.
Yup. Is it? Jonah said it's raining right there where he is. I was gonna cook everything on the Blackstone, but I don't know if it starts raining because it's really windy, it'll be blowing in the rain. Y'all, I can't even cook it on the Blackstone anyway. The propane tank ran out whenever we were making the hoagies the other day. Yeah, we got some little ones. He saw some little ones and he thinks they'll work for the Blackstone. Yeah, can't cook on it anyway. Definitely doing it in here. just a little bit of times I went outside today. That pollen is driving me crazy. It's smelling a little bacony, so I cooked the bacon in here this morning, you know, and I scraped out the drippings, but I didn't wash the pan. I just left those bacon drippings in there and put it in the oven because I just do that with my iron skillets. It just helps them to soak up that flavor and, you know, gives them some extra good seasoning. So this is smelling a little bacony right now. Okay, y'all, ground beef is done. We drained it. I'm gonna put in this 1 can of rotel. And I also need to put in some taco seasoning real quick. And I'm gonna put in a few red pepper flakes too here. I'm just making my own taco seasoning as I put stuff in here real quick, y'all. I will leave the link for the video down below where I show the homemade taco seasoning. It's really easy. Boom, just like that. It smells like tacos. First, I'm going to put in the can of rotel. This is another really easy supper to throw together real quick. I already have some cheese shredded, so we don't have to do that part. I'm going to turn this all the way down to low, maybe just a little above low. Now, I'm going to drain this can of black beans. Oh, I just got black bean juice everywhere, y'all. What? Oh my goodness, I hope that washes it out of my shirt. Well, that's lovely. Should have put on an apron. Okay, we're gonna drain them and rinse them. Try not to get it all over us again. All right, black beans going in. And I'm also gonna do a can of corn. I'm gonna drain it too. Okay, that's it. Now all we have to do is put this and some cheese in the tortilla shells, wrap them up, and then we'll just crisp them just on the outside. That's it. We're having chips and dip and chips, cheese dip, and salsa with them. I think I have a little cheese thief over here.
I am a cheese rabbit.
You're a cheese rabbit?
Yeah.
Alright, to assemble, we just put down the tortilla shell. I normally like to use the large tortilla shells for these, but I just have medium, they'll work fine. We're just gonna put down some cheese. Some of our mixture.
Here's some cheese.
And I'm gonna put salsa on all of them, but I'm not gonna put sour cream. I'll just let people decide if they want sour cream. Oh, he gave a little extra cheese. This one can be mayonnaise. And do I have some cilantro? I thought I got cilantro the other day. I have parsley, but anyway. That's it. Now we just roll it up. I probably put too much. I always do the first time. Now we'll just put it over here in the pan and crisp it up. All right, y'all, we finished eating, got the kitchen cleaned up. Jonah's taking out the trash tonight because Jacob and Tyler already got ready for bed and they didn't know there was some trash in there. They're usually the trash taker-outers. So I'm coming out here with him while he's taking out the trash. We gotta make sure all the chickens are up. I see Miss Turkey has put herself up. Usually she's the last one to go in, but she's ready to go to bed tonight. When we go back inside, we're gonna get another trail cam to put out here at the trash because something is still getting into the trash. And I mean, if it's a raccoon, it's the strongest raccoon I've ever known of because it knocked over last night, whatever it is, knocked over all 3 trash cans, and today was trash day, so they were all full. So that's heavy. I mean, anytime that I've helped roll the trash up from back here, this is why we keep it back here in this pen, is because of wildlife. We don't want them like we used to keep it a long time ago. We kept the trash in the garage. Then we moved it up here to this trash pen. I don't even know. It's been a couple of years ago now, I guess. Maybe longer. But yeah, bears are definitely around here. And just our neighbors that are just not far, just right up there, they've had a bear in their garage. I know of at least one time, and then we had some neighbors over there that had a bear in the back of their truck one time.
I had the bear in my toy box.
You did? There's Tarzan over there. You better watch out. The poison oak and poison ivy are starting to spring out right now. So yeah, whatever it was last night had to be strong enough to knock over 3 full trash cans, and that is heavy because anytime that I've helped bring the trash from back there to the front, because that's where we have to roll it all the way from the pen to the end of the driveway on trash day, because that's where they pick up the trash, it's heavy. When it's full, it is heavy. Thank you. And it also knocked over the trash cans and drug the trash bags way up into the woods over here. So I'm thinking bear. That's what I'm thinking, but we'll see. The last time we set the trail cams up at the trash pen, all we got were pictures of raccoons every time. Oh, thanks. This is your club?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice club.
Yeah.
I see people like to leave their boots in your club.
Yeah.
Got a Blackstone in your club?
Yeah.
And a rocking chair?
Yeah. And I got some rocks right there.
Did you build this club all by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's dark in that one.
All right, we've got the trail cam. We ready?
Yeah.
We'll go set it up. Airplane. The last time we set it up, we put it on the tree on the other side of the pen. That was a good spot. Ah! Oh gosh, I just ran into a tree limb. Nobody fear, everything's fine. It's always fun. The next morning, everybody's excited to see what we got on the trail cam. I think this tree will be good, Jonah, if we have a long enough strap. Oh yeah, put it on that, yeah. Okay, we've got it. We're testing it out to see if it's gonna, oh yeah, we're working, we're working. They're acting like bears to see if it's taking their pictures. Okay, it's got you, it's got you. We'll find out what that critter is in the morning. Watch, like I said, tonight it'll be nothing, or just another raccoon. The Cookie Monster strikes again.
Good night, see y'all tomorrow.
It's broken, it's cracked, like the whole trash can is cracked. If it's a raccoon, it's like a 100-pound raccoon or something, I mean. Before, it's never a bad thing.